In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your microphone when it's not working on Steam's in-game voice chat. Whether you're gearing up for a gaming session or just want to hang out with friends online, having your mic up and running is essential. So let's get started and sort this out in just a few minutes. First, you need to open your Steam application. To do this, find the Steam icon on your desktop or search for it in your programs, then give it a double click to launch it. Once Steam is open, you'll want to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, click on the login button and proceed to enter your account name and password. After typing in your credentials, click on the sign in button to access your Steam homepage. With Steam now accessible, direct your focus to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the Steam menu. You'll want to click on this to open a drop down menu, then go ahead and select settings from the list. Once you are in the settings menu, navigate over to the voice section. This is your control panel for all things audio on Steam, and it's where you'll troubleshoot your microphone issues today. Under the voice settings, the first thing you need to do is check the voice input option. Here, select your microphone from the list of available devices. If you're unsure which one to pick, consider the microphone you typically use, whether it's built into your headset or a separate USB mic. Selecting the correct microphone here is crucial, as it determines the source of the audio that Steam will monitor during your gameplay. Next up, it's time to test your microphone to make sure it's configured correctly. Steam provides a testing feature right here in the settings. You'll want to try speaking into your mic and see if you notice any activity or hear your voice being played back. If everything seems fine, you're good to go. However, if you still notice issues, check the input volume settings. Ensuring the input volume is set appropriately can prevent your voice from being too faint or too loud. Aside from Steam's internal settings, don't forget about your computer's desktop settings. Ensure your microphone is set as the default device in your system settings. It's equally important to grant Steam the necessary permissions to use your mic by allowing app access. These permissions can usually be managed in the privacy or sound settings on your PC or Mac. And there you have it. With these steps completed, your microphone should now be working perfectly on Steam's in-game voice chat. I hope this guide was helpful and that you can now enjoy seamless communication during your games. If your mic is still not working, double check each step to ensure no detail was missed. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!